MDC Ketua Konsensi Bernard N Marak ulakno ba Mukesh Singh IGP Law and Order but USP ke West Garo Hills Vikinan Singh Rathur IPS kilak thong bat siat yu lengba ke video Bernard ublasha keno bola persang ban phet ban lai chakem hadien ke jingkhanra ki pulit ya ka rimpu bagan ulong ba klemphet nrei hab ban mi no nasilong namar ka don ke jisu boit ki pulit ban siat yu Kumansu kodo ba ka janmiet ka arpar trek naitung ki pulen ki lapen long ka jingkhanra harimpu bagan ka badai trai do Bernard ha ka bala yo kam bat toket hadu nyu pulai ngut ki samla bat yo pelait ru san ngut ki knarin da ka ba kentai bo klempenya ketem auria bat baro ki jingkno ki dei basu thau suda ulong ba ka daw baro ka dei namar ba ulong ka jingma yo mentrang ba ka jala mekelia ha collection jit nomi khmat chayeng do bar thawain ka jala house nam arja arpulai nakate ka constituency.
I'm not evading arrest or absconding, but I had to move out of Shillong because the law and order IGP Mukesh Singh and his team tried to raid me, and the big conspiracy to gun me down has come to the fore. I have come to know from reliable sources that the SP of Tura, Mr. Vivekananda Rathore, and the IGP law and order Mukesh Singh, they are out to gun me down because I have become a threat to the present CM in his own constituency after winning the district council election, which covers 4 MLA areas. So with my winning, the confidence of winning more seats in the upcoming election has been is a well-known fact. So the strength behind this growth of BJP in a hill area and a Christian-dominated areas is through the hard work that we are giving to the party, and our raising of corruption issues and fighting against communal tactics of the various agents has actually helped us to grow in the hill area, and this has become a threat to the other political parties, including the coalition partner NPP and its chief, who is the chief minister of the Meghalaya. So I have become a personal threat to him, and all these are being made up against me. All these cases are being made up. I do not run a brothel. I do not run a prostitution racket. I am not even involved in all this seizure of drinks and all these elements that they are showing in the media. And they have taken only one media which is sponsored by the NPP, that is Hub News, and they are spreading it to national level, and this is very wrong. That's why I would request that the national media should cover this and bring out the facts which is on the ground.